pill life.
That's what I mean. Now, this is super open gap.
Oh, fuck. Fuck him. Fucking Sniffles back there. It would spin both of them with all that power. Oh, there we go.
Feels like it's still fucking drive. That's why I unlocked the hubs.
Oh, he got her. They're not locked?
Or they are locked.
Oh, fuck. Alright. They're good. Yeah.
Now that feels better.
Yeah, that does feel a lot better. There, now she wanders like a little puppy. No fucking brakes at all.
Those aren't very good.
No. Oh.
This is pretty slick.
Yep.
Oh.
Holy fuck. Oh shit.
Oh, yeah, yo, fuck.
Oh fuck, I'm so scared. So sideways.
I saved her too.
That was fucking mint.
But it's hard to save.
So explain what happened to this truck.
What do you mean? Like,
The brakes.
front brakes, redid them. Well, kind of swapped them off with the other truck. That caliper fell off.
This side?
And a brake line. Not really much back brakes because haven't done them yet. And I'm assuming this shit. Clean throttle body, replace cam sensor, change the oil,
Pretty
replace
much.
EGR valve. What else did we do? That radio and some speakers. All hardwired, not fucking through the harness. 14 and 16 gauge wire.
Fuck. Go again?
So yeah.
Yeah, he's going again.
Oh,
Oh,
No,
fuck,
I'm going to the
fuck,
brakes.
fuck, dicks. Oh.
It just keeps sliding.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, you hit the curb, you keep sliding through the snowbank.
Fuck.
Slow-mo drift.
You're good my way.
Good. Good. Can't stop.
Oh. These brakes are fucked. Oh, that's pretty sideways. If we go back to the skate park, I'm gonna get out. Oh, he's giving her. Oh, god damn it.
He does in the worst fucking spots. Like
I know.
I'm just gonna run into that snowbank.
Is this a curb? No. So sideways.
On tire.
Yeah. Right in your old track. Oh fuck.
Fucking hand over hand.
fuck yeah.
I'm just fucking cut people off. Oh, fucking turtle.
Long Randy, down the way. Hey, there's Saunders. Oh, fuck yeah, bud. He said he's gonna do a burnout. No. Just wait.
That's not a parking spot.
Fuck you. Look at the front. Yeah, really? He wasn't, because he's not no brakes in the back.
Auto body sticker.
Oh my god.